promotions again and bulk pricing, especially for household staples. So this is another good save here at Chunk Fat in Jamaica. You can, I'm covering my number because they give you your number on your card that you can definitely follow up with. But with Chunk Fat though, you have to spend $5,000 the first time to get a card like this. And guess what? It doesn't carry an expiration date. No. So you can use your point. It's not like the Brooklyn one doesn't carry an expiration date either, but the Shoppers Fair one does carry an expiration date. This one here, the Shoppers Fair. But hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a part of the family, welcome back. So we're now into 2026, right? Happy New Year's to you. And I wish you all God's richest blessings for 2026. You see, as we step into 2026, one thing we can all agree on is the cost of living and inflation in Jamaica. So today's video, we're going to look at pricing. We're going to look at budgeting. We're going to look at saving. So we're going to look at how to save money while shopping in Jamaica, smart points, cards, and 2026 tips. So if that is something that interests you, you can stick around. And as we get into this, into 2026, one thing we can all agree on is that the cost of living and inflation in Jamaica, not just Jamaica, but the world, are real. Prices are raising, groceries cost more, and every dollar matters. Not today, so alone, but we're going to do our best, right? So today I want to talk about saving money by shopping smart, especially by using store cards, reward programs, and points systems that many of us already qualify for, but many not being fully using. All right. So this is not about perfection. It is about being intentional and wise with what we spend. So while shopping smart matters in Jamaica, inflation affects everyone. The food, gas, household items, and even basic necessities. We may not always control prices, but we can control how we shop. So saving doesn't always mean spending less. It often means earning back value on money you already spent, right? So store and reward programs here in Jamaica, I'm going to share a few with you. So let's talk about some popular stores in Jamaica where you can earn points, benefits, or value when you shop. And it's not just to say that you want to go. Many people don't really understand the benefits as well. And there are times they will say, why don't you go to a wholesale? I can tell you, wholesale doesn't always work out well. And in Jamaica, wholesale not really a wholesale anymore, right? Not everyone lives near to a shop or lives near to a shop, right? So we're going to look at how best we can work within our budget. Inflation real, budgeting very important, and buying bulk. I understand that everybody can, because what you have is just what you have to work with. I do get it, but we can find a way to work. You can know someone who maybe have a price mark card. You can shop together, not just shop together, but you're now building a community, and we can support our locals as well. But if our locals are bringing up the prices to a point where you can't sustain, it is affecting your pocket, then it is okay. Don't feel that you are obligated to support locals. I love to support locals, but there are times it just don't make sense, and my household cannot strain from something because I want what I'm looking at. It is the local over international, but I always try to support the locals as much as I can. I'm into gardening now, and hopefully I would want to go into livestock. So before I go anywhere into this video and bring it over, I just want to stop here to say thank you so much, and I wish to see you all here in 2026. You can like, share, leave a comment, and also tell me what card you're using and how best you find shopping in Jamaica or wherever in the world that you are, because right now we need one another. You know the saying, it takes a village to raise a child. Then we need to come together as a community to save and rescue each other, cause one cocoa full basket. So as you can see, I have a few cards here. I'm going to show you the first one, and this is Price Smart. So here with Price Smart, it is great for bulk shopping, especially for families or small businesses. So you can use your membership wisely, buying items you already use regularly, and you can help reduce long-term costs by buying in bulk. So the tip is, don't bulk buy just because it's there, but bulk buy what you already need. And as I said initially, you can build a community with somebody that you know, that maybe their family is larger than you, or maybe you know the money not there right there. So right now, it doesn't matter. Every maker make a muckle and try as much as you can. Yes, it's a bit steep to buy to get the card initially, but you can also when you buy it lasts for the year, so every year you have to renew it. And the other thing is, if you have a pointer, but that card is a bit expensive. This one here, it is for, I think it's 7,500, and the other, you have another one that when you buy you also get reward points, but with this one you don't. It's just a membership, but yes, you do see, because there are things at Price Smart that they're reasonable and you buy in bulk. Now, the other one that we're going to look on is Shoppers Fair card. The Shoppers Fair often has promotions and reward system ties to customers' loyalty. And shopping during deals using any available rewards can make a real listen, let me tell you, let me just cover the, cause this one here, so you have it come with an ID. All right, so for this one here, the Shoppers Fair, you get your points, and but for this one you have to renew it every year, and this don't cost a thing. I think the last was $100. I'm not sure. If it's not $100, it's nothing at all. But you can get it this within 2 days or three. Yeah, you take couple time to get this couple times, but for the Price Smart, you don't have to have a card. You can go the same time at Price Smart and go to the customer service desk. At the door, you can tell the security that you're here to pay for the card, because you cannot go in unless you have a card or you're a second holder to someone else, right? So when you have this card, you can also share with somebody. So you don't have to pay the full amount. You can, again, build a community, maybe a friend, family, I don't know, but maybe you like to go alone, and that is fine. I understand. So do what works best for you. But this one here, there are times your points will reach even $2,000. Okay, each time you go to shop, even if a $500, even if a $200 you spend, have your card to swipe, and you can use it at any Shoppers Fair, right? And it's a reward system, and it does work. Trust me, I can tell you that. There are times you forget you have a card, and when you reach our Christmas, you end up with a $1,600, 165. I'll give you choo something. Maybe I need to show you a bill with the Brooklyn one, because the Shoppers, I have so many of them, as you can see, and I'm sharing a few with you. Nothing is wrong with having these cards. You are not cheap. You are just smart. No, and if you don't have it, you know what I mean, saying not smart. It does mean maybe you never know. So get into it, all right? So the next one here we have is Brooklyn. Now, the Brooklyn card, as I was saying to you before, I can definitely share and show you the loyalty with a receipt. I'm going to look for it and maybe put a picture in right here or a little clip. But the Brooklyn supermarket is another option where you have, if you're a consistent shopper, they have promotions. I can tell you about the promotions. They have a lot of promotions there as well, and can help stretch your budget, especially when you combine with reward programs or sale periods. They do have sale periods. They do have promotion. In the first video that you saw, you will see where I'm showing you a couple items as well. You'll go there where you have buy two get three, or buy four and get the fifth one, at a different price. At their times, they will say what you buy today. If you're buying oats, you will see maybe a representative from maybe Getty's Grant or so, one one of the representative that would say if you buy that, you can get a bag, a bottle, you choose whatever the item, from the items that they're offering. Or when you get to the cashier, remember once the cashier said to me that because I bought oats and oat milk, and they said that I redeem a credit. I was like, what? And they said a digital credit. And it was so amazing because you not just earn something and you didn't even know about it, but they're honest enough to tell you. So this, it does come in handy and it does help. So be sure you can get your Brooklyn card by going to Brooklyn supermarket, and these are not paid promotions, by the way. It's just me sharing, 2 cents with you. So you can go there, sign up for this, and definitely it will work in your, yes, in your favor. Next one. Now, I have to scale away this one for a little while because it does come with an ID, and this is for those who live in Old Harbor. All right. So for those, so Chung Fat Supermarket here. Chung Fat is a popular supermarket in Old Harbor. It's both wholesale and retail shopping. So if you shop there regularly, take advantage of the membership benefits. Yes, and they do have promotions again and bulk pricing, especially for household staples. So this is another good save here at Chung Fat in Jamaica. You can, I'm covering my number because they give you your number on your card that you can definitely follow up with. But with Chung Fat though, you have to spend $5,000 the first time to get a card like this. And guess what? It doesn't carry an expiration date. No. So you can use your point. It's not like the Brooklyn one doesn't carry an expiration date either, but the Shoppers Fair one does carry an expiration date. This one here, the Shoppers Fair. But for this one, it doesn't carry, the Chung Fat one, it doesn't carry an expiration date, and you get value for your money. And when it's Christmas season or times like that, you do get gifts. Yes, they give their customers. Can you believe that? Yes. So there's no, you have Sampari. Sampari is expensive to me, right? People might say it's cheaper than Price Mart. Not in my view. I've been to Sampari and I compare the prices because I like to shop around first and compare. And you will find one or two stuff at Sampari you won't find at Chung Fat, but Sampari, sorry about the lighting over there. I am trying, believe me. Being a YouTube content creator, it's not easy. Editing and everything, but thank you so much for your patience. Alright, so back into it. I had to stop and fix the lighting a little bit. So here, as I said, Chung Fat, you can definitely check it out. And if it works best for you, you are in Old Harbor, Spanish Town. Yeah, you can definitely check out Chung Fat Supermarket. It's amazing. You have a wide range of stuff. And it's work, as I said, as a wholesale and a retailer, and you can pick up. I like the feel to pick up my own snack. I don't have to order through any. I like to go and own my own food, take up my own stuff, if you get what I'm saying. And the wholesale, one time here in Jamaica, you could buy the wholesale and see something, but not so anymore. So now you have the Valley Reward Program. The Valley Reward programs allow you to earn points on every purchases. So these small points may not seem like much, but over time they add up. Yes, every make a muckle. They add up, especially if you are already spending that money. Anyway, you're shopping there, have your cards, redeem them. At the end, there's so many people who don't even know about these things, and there are some who knows, but they're like, I just can't bother. You gotta bother this year, right? I gotta remind you every little minute. I hope you can't be annoyed with me, right? You can't. No, you can't. So we have what is the Magna. I don't have the Magna here. But the Magna supermarket, it's also, sorry, that one, the Magna cards, you can definitely use it at, I think you can use it at Shoppers Brooklyn, can also use it as at Shoppers Fair as well, if I'm not mistaken. But it also provides opportunities to shop smart through promotions and loyalty benefits. So you can watch flyers and shopping during sales and help you save. You can save significantly with this card. Now we have what is called here the progressive cash. This is one of the You can put money on this card and give someone. You can put 2,500. You can put $3,000. You can put $5,000. Sometimes you might want to, give someone. You like, no, I want to give them the money. You can put this in an envelope, or you can put, wrap it just neatly, maybe in a little jewelry box, something, and say thank you to somebody with it on it without giving them the cash. This helps so much, and this is also a good thing. My favorite, as you know, I love Price Smart, but you can definitely, whatever works best for you, you can definitely get that at your own pace. But I just want to take the time out to say we got to shop smart. And other smart saving tips I want to share before I go. So you're gonna compare prices before shopping. Yes, you can. Nothing wrong with putting them back and go somewhere else. Don't shop when you're hungry. Very important. Focus. So stick to the list. Prepare your list from overnight. Combine reward points with sales and avoid impulse buying. Avoid what? Impulse buying. You want to track what you spend monthly, and saving is not about you're not depriving yourself of it. It's about discipline and wisdom. So with all these cards that I share with you, which one you have or which one you are thinking about getting, I encourage you all, in this season we must be good stewards of what we have, and every point earned, every smart purchase, and every international decision matters, or if it is intentional, it matters as well. So you can shop overseas or local. You still need to, these cards cannot use local overseas, but just local. But you have overseas pointers as well if you have a credit card, or some other benefits like I showed you with that video. I listened to it back, and I think the sound, I don't know what went wrong, but the sound check was okay on my end, but I'm not sure what. Sometimes YouTube does that and you have to do the video all again. But I'm just, by the grace of God, taking it one step at a time. So you don't need to earn more to start saving. What you need is to start where you are, and that is now. So if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Yes, I will be showing you more and more and more and more and more. Subscribe for more information. And also let me know in the comments which store you shop at in Jamaica and what reward cards you use when we all can help each other. And if not just Jamaica, overseas, you can let us know, all right, in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, remember, as we move into 2026, the cost of living, we can have control over it because we are going to shop smarter. God bless you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, walk good, live good, love God. Bless up. Boom, bang, bang.